Okay, what up YouTube? This video was taken on this Monday morning, December 13th, 2021. Time right now is 12:01 a.m. and it's another Paxember video. I'm here at this shopping complex in the middle of the night, not doing anything sketchy at all. No, I'm planning on flying at this, what I think is going to be an epic spot in the future, and I want to test my GoPro settings for low light. So I want to do in a place that doesn't really matter too much. I am 1600. I want to bump it up to 1600, even though that's. So these are my settings real quick. Me messing with my GoPro settings is part of the reason why I had a horrible video on Saturday. So you think I would have learned my lesson, but I didn't. So I'm going to try that for my settings. Oh. Okay, we're recording. Through the viewfinder, it doesn't look too bad.
Welcome to Mambo, throttle warning.
And this quad has a Cadex Polar, which the only reason it has the Cadex Polar was because that's the only Vista unit I could get at the time I built this quad. All my other quads have the DJI camera on it, but the Cadex Polar is supposed to be low light, low light camera, so we'll see how that goes. And I figured worst comes to worst, if the GoPro settings don't match up, we can always just use the DVR. So that light was very blown out. And that's my concern about setting up settings in the GoPro, is that when I go underneath its awning and stuff, it's going to be too overexposed. Kind of like how when I wasn't in the direct sunlight on Saturday's video, the video was fine. What do you think my video penetration is? Should I power loop that truck? What's going on over here? Oh, went down to 6 megabits per second. So yeah, I'm not even facing this side. Oh, there's a cop. And the funny part is I was going to fly in that Winn-Dixie parking lot, because back when they had the 863 group, they used to come to that Winn-Dixie and fly at night in the parking lot. I'm in small town territory here, so it would be small town local cops. And yeah, so you see under this awning is extremely bright, so going to be interesting to see what the video is going to look like. Now, this place that I'm going to fly is going to have some cool lighting, but I'm not going to go in a well-lit area at any time during that flight. So that'll be kind of interesting to see. Oh, I'm coming up short on those power loops, which I don't understand. What's happening here?
Battery, 22 volts. Low battery, 22.1 volts. Low battery.
Okay, I got to redeem myself on these power loops. A lot of battery sag there. Okay, I think that's a good redemption. This battery is reaching its end of life.
Low battery, 21.9 volts. Low battery, 21.7 volts. Low battery, 21.
Seems a little tight.
Volts. Low
Yeah, I don't want to lose a quad up there.
21.7 volts.
So.
Low battery, 21.8 volts. Low battery. Low battery, 21.4 volts. Low battery.
Okay, so in honor of Spaceman doing the traverse flip, I'm going to do the Crown Vic flick.
Low battery, 21.5 volts. Low battery, 21.
Okay, that didn't work out good. Okay, here's the Crown Vic flick.
Low battery, 21.2 volts.
Well, that didn't work out good either.
Low battery.
Okay, let me give it.
20.5.
I'm cooking this. Okay, I'm going to get it this time.
20.1 volts. Low battery, 19.8 volts.
Okay, so that's Paxember Day 13. We'll see. I'm anxious to get back and see how that GoPro video looks. Still recording? Thanks for watching. I will see you tomorrow.